All right, that was just my Cajun style smoked sausage that I cut into coins. All right, now I'm gonna bring in my Pillsbury Grand flaky layers, and I split them in half. And we are gonna grab our smoked sausage, and we're gonna place 1 coin of our smoked sausage onto each of our half of a biscuit, just like so. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious appetizer. It is great if you're having a party or if you're watching football on Sunday. This is gonna be the appetizer you're gonna wanna serve. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And you can use whatever sausage you like. All right, and we are gonna pair that with our medium cheddar. I'm using the Tillamook because I like the thick cut, and we're just gonna put a few little shreds of cheese with each of our sausage coins, just like so. Just like with the sausage, you can use whatever cheese you like. A pepper jack would be nice if you want a little kick. Some mozzarella if you want to go for a more Italian style. You could do an Italian sausage with mozzarella. You can even put a little sauce with this, but I'm gonna keep it pretty classic with just the sausage and the cheese. I love the Cajun style sausage. It just has so much more flavor than a kielbasa or anything like that. And Honey is on my feet right now waiting for some cheese to drop, so let's give her a few pieces. Come on, you gotta show your face. You gotta work for it, girl. Woo! Now that we're back to our recipe, don't worry, I didn't touch any of the dogs. We are gonna come in to each of our biscuits individually, and we are going to grab it and wrap our sausage and cheese into our biscuit. Now you're gonna have to stretch this so that everything can fit, and you might have to fold the cheese in. And we're making like a little sausage cheese bomb in a biscuit, just like this. See how I got it all perfectly wrapped in there? And then once it is perfectly wrapped, I'm gonna bring in my silicone muffin tin. You don't need a greasy silicone muffin tin, and we're gonna place each one in our muffin tin. So let's go ahead and get these nice and wrapped up. All right, we got our last one. Just stretch that biscuit, crush that cheese, and get that covered. Look, I got really good at it while I was
about to say, you got better at
finishing
this.
them. And then plop it in our muffin tin. Move this back to our main filming space. And then I have some melted butter here. And I'm just gonna brush these with some butter because butter makes everything better. Yeah, those biscuits are already flaky and buttery, but this just takes it to a whole new level. And I'm using salted butter, but you can use unsalted if you know you're worried about your sodium. I know that sausage already has plenty of sodium, but this is gonna be amazing. You can also do a turkey sausage if you really want to make it, you know, healthier and lighter, but not for me.
This is making my mouth water.
Ooh, just wait to see what I add next. I have my everything but the salt seasoning. This is what they put on everything bagels, and it is incredible. And we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle on each one, and it's gonna stick to that butter, and it's gonna be so delicious. I love this seasoning, and there's no salt in it, so it's healthy, right? That's what that means?
Yeah, this is like a rendition of Pigs in a Blanket.
Yeah, but even better because it's just a little pig in a bomb. Alright, my oven is set to 350, and we're gonna bake these for about 15 minutes. Oh my, look how cute these came out. Oh, and they smell incredible too. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little serving platter. I have a bowl because I wanna dip these in some Dijon mustard. This is gonna taste so good with those sausages. Yeah. And then the best part about the silicone muffin tin is you can just pop them right out, and look how perfectly cooked they are on the bottom.
Nice and toasty. And
then our little sausage cheese bombs are ready to serve.
I eat all these.
All right, okay. I think I'm gonna go for this one because it kind of, the cheese is popping out, and I don't want anyone else to get that one.
I want to see it.
Okay. Mmm.
Oh, wow. Is it good?
So good. I don't like mustard, but the inside, delicious.